So today we're going to talk tires. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about tires, specifically the Milestar Patagonia MTs. So I was in the market to replace my worn Arturo Trailblades with something new. I simply didn't have a budget of $1,000+ to spend on tires, so that limited my options, and I was originally just going to replace them with another set of Arturo Trailblades. But then when I mentioned that to my brother-in-law Victor, who actually drives the Silver JKU for Southwest Horizon, this is what he said.
So have you considered the Milestars? It's been getting kind of warm lately.
It has.
Yeah, so how about the Milestars? Yo, dude! So what about the Milestars?
So needless to say, I went with the Milestars. I mean, initially when I got to the tire shop after ordering them, initial impressions in person is they looked very, very aggressive. I mean, I was really impressed with the tread design. It looked like it was a really off-road worthy tire in terms of performance. But I was a little nervous going into the whole on-road manners because it seemed like it was going to be a loud tire. Although I know I did do some research on the reviews online and on YouTube. I watched various videos and most people didn't complain of the noise. But once again, that's a relative thing. You know, what's loud for me might not be loud for you. I went in expecting the worst. Well, I was surprised. They were really, really quiet. So that's first win. So, I mean, and then on-road manners were smooth. They balanced out well, which is also another risk you take with a cheaper tire. That wasn't the case. And they just handled well. I mean, they looked good. I mean, I had no complaints. So the best thing I could do was definitely take them out on this camping trip we had planned for that weekend and give them a real on-road and off-road test. So that's exactly what we did. We went off-road. We clocked in about 700 miles throughout this trip. We took the back way to Mount Ord, we put it through some tests, through some loose rock and sharp rocks, and it handled well. The compound it's made of definitely didn't allow any chipping or any chunking of the tire, which I was really happy with. And then the grip was perfect. Performance off-road was solid. It just gripped rocks well, loose dirt, and I mean, it handled like a champ. You know, I was really, really digging the tire, no pun intended. Overall, I would say this tire is definitely for somebody with a little bit of a tighter budget, but you know, is also looking to not sacrifice quality when it comes to their tires. So if you're definitely in the market for a cheaper tire that you don't want to break the bank on, this is something I do recommend for you if it is gonna suit your needs. You know, obviously as a daily driver, and that's all you're gonna do, an occasional dirt road or something, I don't know, you might want to consider something a little different. But if you do kind of a combination of off-roading and daily driving with it, you'll definitely be satisfied.
Nice to have the ability to speak to someone inside the car with no road noise. I mean, you get all the performance of a Mudterrain off-road, and you still get performance on-road. That's a win in my book.